Internet, the big-hearted benevolent. dVidya Free School Project, free online learning.
In the age of the Internet, we have observed a growing trend of offering free services to users. People receive a variety of services without any charge. For instance, in their daily lives, they search for information, send messages, communicate with others, and more. This model of providing free services was unimaginable before the digital era. In those times, only non-profit organizations or governments could offer free services. The dVidya Free School Project is an initiative that aims to provide free learning resources and services to high school students in rural areas and small towns where good learning opportunities are limited and not affordable for all. The project is self-sustaining and self-funded. It charges no fees to students. Moreover, it rewards deserving students with cash awards to encourage and motivate them.
Online coaching by teachers. Private coaching.
Students learn in school, but sometimes they require extra assistance or clarification. Private coaching is an alternative option for students who need additional support. Private teachers or tutorial homes offer one-on-one interaction to help students clear their doubts and receive personalized assistance. This additional support can be valuable in helping students overcome any obstacles they may be facing in their education.
Limitations of traditional classroom coaching.
Traditional classroom coaching has its limitations when it comes to scalability. Due to the physical constraints of a classroom, only a limited number of students can be accommodated, and the fees charged for such coaching are often high. Students who live far away may face logistical difficulties in attending these classes. As a result, even experienced private tutors who teach using traditional methods such as pen, paper, chalk, and board are finding it increasingly difficult to attract new students. The repetitive work is boring and unproductive. Teachers' income is shrinking.
Online coaching.
However, with gradual proliferation of smartphones and easy access to various digital devices, students are increasingly using digital media for learning. An online tutor can teach unlimited number of students around the world, round the clock, with multifold income. So, young teachers, proficient in digital media, are gradually moving towards digital media. Coaching centers are employing professionals to create their own contents.
Individual teachers.
However, creating digital contents is expensive, requires technical knowledge. So, teachers cannot create good quality contents in digital form.
dVidya Learning Platform.
dVidya uploads teachers' recordings in its website.
Online teaching in dVidya platform. Teacher enrollment.
On the message pop-up box on any page of the site, teacher should submit all relevant particulars and email ID, like name, WhatsApp number, email ID, location, qualification, experience, current teaching position, subjects taught, etc.
Ready learning materials in dVidya website.
Teachers need not create any new content. Teacher may select any topic from dVidya site, like text, MCQ, problems, etc. For convenience, website subject links are given at the end. The recording steps are explained next.
Recording of contents by teachers.
Enrolled teachers just need to record their lectures in a smartphone and email the audio file to dVidya. Our team will extend necessary assistance to the teachers to record their contents.
Submission of teachers' recordings.
The teacher may submit audio recording of answers to questions, explanatory notes of key points in the study notes, blog posts, in their voice. Our team member will guide and help in creation of audio-video record in first instance. dVidya will create video from the recording and supporting digital contents submitted by the teacher.
Uploading teachers' work in dVidya website.
dVidya would convert the teacher recorded audio into professional video tutorials and upload in its website. All technical work of creating and uploading the audio video will be done by dVidya team. The video would be freely available to all viewers of dVidya.
Wide publicity of teachers' work through digital media.
The name of the teacher would also be included at the end of the work. The website link would be shared with teacher. The teacher may instantly share the link with students. They can play teacher's work using their smartphone or other devices and learn.
Teachers' list.
The name of the teachers and the links to their uploaded recordings would be published in the list of teachers in the website. Students may review the teacher's recordings. They may enroll their name with the teacher of their choice for support services on direct payment to the teacher's account.